Okay, my mind is kind of blown right now. I just got done putting one of these screen protectors on this phone, and I cannot believe how slick and easy that was. That was amazing. After cleaning the screen, all you do, you put this on, you pull a tab, you're done. That is it. That was so cool. My mind is still blown. Wow. Okay, so sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. I do want to point out this screen protector was sent to me so I could test it, so I could make this video. I didn't really have any expectations other than I thought this would be like other screen protectors. I thought I'd have to go in, line it up, kind of remove one side, put it on, remove the other side, smooth it out. No, it's not like that at all. I recorded the process of me doing it for the very first time just to give you an idea of what this is actually like. I didn't think it would be that simple and amazing, but here you go. You can look for yourself. So I've got my wife's iPhone here, and then I've got this screen protector. I'm going to go ahead and install it now so that you can see in real time what comes with this, how easy it is to install, and if it works as well as I hope it does. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. So it comes with a template. Gotta say, I am impressed with how well organized everything is so far. Okay, cool. So it looks like we do have two of these. So let me set one aside. We'll focus on this one. I guess that is another one. So we've got three of these in total. I don't even need this one, so I'll set that aside. I'm impressed by the instructions. This is very nice, actually. Everything's got pictures. So let's go ahead and do that. So step one, use the number 1 wet thing. Oh, I guess we got 3 different packs for the 3 different screens. Set 2 of those aside. 1, 2, 3. That's all in the bag. They really make this easy. This is very nice. Okay, so that's to clean off the screen, presumably. It looks like all of this is just to clean the screen. So we got 1, 2, then 3 here. All right, so with the cleaning pad, we'll go ahead and clean this off as best we can. Looks like there already is at least a small scratch on this. Not too bad. All right, that's looking nice. And we got number 2 to dry off the screen. Wonderful, wonderful. And then we've got this. We can take this sticker off to remove the dust. There is no dust, so I'm gonna save this for later. All right, on to step 2. It looks like we just put this on the phone. Wow, and that fits on there really, really snug. Okay, that's great. Step 3, press both sides of the box and pull this evenly. Then wait for 10 seconds. Cover your phone. Step 2, pull down. All right, let's try this. Oh, cool. So you can see it's doing its thing. Placed perfectly on the phone. We might get a bubble. Looks like we got a bubble. All right, let's take this out. Oh, that's cool. So this kind of just comes off like that. So is that on there? Yes. So we still have a bit of a bubble. Let me get this cloth, see if I can get rid of it. All right, I got rid of the bubble. Now this should be tempered glass, so I don't really want to do this, but I have 2 more of these in case this doesn't work. But I'm going to, wow, I'm gonna try to scratch this with my screwdriver, and can you see anything? I can't see anything. Wow. So I am using a screwdriver. I'm actually using this just to press down on the screen to get out. There were a couple leftover bubbles. That is really, really impressive. Oh man, that's awesome. That's impressive. I don't know what else to say. I did not know you could put on screen protectors this way. This is really cool. Very impressed. I'm gonna go upstairs, give this back to my wife so she can have a phone again. I think I'll take up a screwdriver and try to scratch the screen again just to see what she says. We'll see if I live to tell the tale. I tell you what, this is really, really cool.